In this video, we're going to look at 5 helpful interface features in Code on the Go, or Kogo. You can use these features to make your experience more comfortable and more productive right away. Let's jump in. First, you can switch between light and dark mode. Kogo supports 3 display options, including light, dark, and follow system. You can change the setting at any time. With your project open, tap the hamburger icon in the top corner, then tap the Preferences icon, which looks like a gear. On the Preferences page, tap General, then tap UI Mode. A dialog box will appear with 3 options. Light forces the app to use a light theme, while dark forces it to use a dark theme, which can reduce eye strain in low-light environments and conserve battery life. Follow System automatically matches Kogo's theme to your device's system-wide setting. This is the default. Choose your preference and tap OK. Second, you can activate a sliding panel at the bottom of the screen, where Kogo provides quick access to your build output, logs, diagnostics, and other elements. Many users don't realize this panel has 2 expanded positions. Swipe up on the panel once to bring it halfway up the screen. This gives you a comfortable view of your logs or build output while still keeping part of your code visible above. Swipe up again and the panel expands. This is useful when you need to read a long build output or diagnose an error in detail. Swipe down to collapse it again. You can move between all 3 positions at any time. Third, you can switch to full screen mode. In the bottom corner of the Kogo interface, you'll see a small button with a double-headed arrow. Tap it to expand the editor to full screen, which hides the command slider and other interface elements so you have maximum space for your code. This is especially useful on smaller phone screens, where every pixel counts. Tap the button again to return to the standard view. Fourth, the feedback icon gives you a quick way to provide feedback. You can tap the small circular button at the bottom of the screen to contact us by email at any time, whether you need help or just want to tell us about your experience. If you don't want the icon in its default position, you can move it anywhere on the screen. Press and hold the icon, then drag it to a new location and release. It will stay put until you move it again. Fifth, you can create a new file or folder directly from the file tree. This is something you might do regularly as your projects grow. Tap the hamburger icon, then, if the file tree is not already displayed, tap the folder icon, which will reveal your project's directory structure. Navigate to the folder where you want to create the new file or folder. Long press on the folder where you want to add the new item. A context menu will appear with a range of options, including New File and New Folder. In this example, tap New File, then complete the details to create a basic text file. Confirm your decision by tapping Create. The new file appears in the file tree immediately. That's 5 quick tips for getting more out of the Kogo interface. To recap, first, switch between light, dark, and system-matched themes depending on your viewing preference. Second, the bottom panel has 3 positions, including collapsed, halfway, and full screen. Swipe up or down to move between them. Third, tap the double-headed arrow in the bottom corner to go full screen and maximize your editor space. Fourth, use the feedback icon to quickly email us with your feedback. Press and drag the icon to move it around the screen. Fifth, long press any folder in the file tree to create a new file or folder. These tips should help you customize your experience and work more comfortably. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!